Today, we're going to build the Batwing using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
So I'm going to start with this 1L bar with the mechanical claw hand, and the mechanical claw is going to be the ears of our Batwing, and then for the wings we're going to use these axe handles. Now it's important that with these axe handles, you'll notice like one side's just kind of a smooth little curve, and then the other side is kind of smooth and then it divots inward. Now it's important because we're going to put these on opposite ends of our L bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm turning this around so that divoted end is on the bottom, and I'm going to put it into my L bar so that it's touching the mechanical claw piece at the top. And the reason we're doing that is because when I get my next axe handle, there's my divoted end, so I want that to be facing up into my claw handle, so it's the opposite direction, because when I put it in, that divot kind of makes these wings more symmetrical and look more aerodynamic for my Batwing to fly over Gotham City.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.